Hi cuties, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Be safe at your home. Eat healthy food. Drink more water. Wash your hands frequently. In this video, we are going to see UKG literacy skill subject. The topic is short A sound words. Short A sound words. Look at the picture. What is this? Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Next one, bat. B-A-T. Bat. Next one, cap. C-A-P. Cap. Next one, C-A-T. Cat. Next one, fan. F-A-N. Fan. The next picture is hat. H-A-T. Hat. M-A-T. Mat. Next one, P-A-N. Pan. Next one, R-A-T. Rat. Okay children, look and say the words, trace and copy. என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த வேர்ட்ஸு ரீட் பண்ணிகிட்டே ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, அது மேலேயே ரைட் பண்ணிவிட்டு கீழே இருக்க பாக்ஸஸ்லையும் ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், திஸ் இஸ் ஷார்ட் ஏ சவுண்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ். அண்ட், பேட், கேப், கேட், ஃபேன், ஹேட், மேட், pan, rat. Now we are going to read the poem. The cat. There was once a cat who found a rat having a nap on a mat. It put a paw over its tail, but up it sat, saw the cat, and off it ran into a cab inside a bag. The cat was no match for the rat. How very sad. Children, இந்த போயத்தை என்ன பண்ணணும், நீங்கள் ரீட் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். இந்த பிங்க் கலரில் கொடுத்துருக்க வேர்ட்ஸை ரீட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணணும். Next we see short A sound words. Look at the pictures. Look and say the words, trace and copy. இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்க பிக்சர்ஸோட நேமை ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதே போல் காப்பி பண்ணணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், பெட். B-E-D, பெட். D-E-N, den. H-E-N, ken. J-E-T, jet. L-E-G, leg. N-E-T, net. P-E-N, pen. R-E-D, red. T-E-N, ten. Bed, den, ken, jet, leg, net, pen, red, ten. Look at the picture. The best man. Once some old man met. Each one said that they are the best. I can bend a rod of iron, said one of them. I can jump right into a well, said the other. This went on. Then said the last, all I have is a red hen. All day long I tend to her. Well, she thinks that I am the very best. Okay children, you also read this story and write the pink color words. Next we are going to see short I sound words. Look at the pictures, trace and copy. Okay, B-I-B, bib. F-I-N, fin. F-I-G, fig. Fish, fish. Lid, lid. Pig, pig. Pin, pin. Tin, tin. Zip, zip. What are the pictures? Read once again. Pip, fin, fig, fish, lid, pig, pin, tin, zip. Okay children, in the words read பண்ணிட்டே write பண்ணணும். Next we are going to see one poem. The fish. Do you see the fish? Some are big, some are slim, all have a fin. Some are sharp as a pin. Others have teeth that can rip a tin. So when you take a dip, you better be fit, for you may need to swim far away from him and his twin. Okay children, read this poem and write the pink color words. Next we are going to see short O sound words. Look at the pictures and trace and copy. Okay, first one, cot. COT, cot. DOG, dog. Next one, DOD, dot. Next one, FOX, fox. HOT, hot. LOG, log. MOB, mob. POT, pot. TOP, top. Once again we read cat, dog, dot, fox, hot, log, mob, pot, top. Okay children, in the pictures இருக்க words என்ன பண்ணணும், read பண்ணிட்டே write பண்ணணும். Next read the poem. The boss of the pond. Get off the rock, said Mummy Frog. Join the lot, hop into the pond. No, I will not, said Baby Frog. I want to be on top, the boss of this rock. Bow, 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 said the big dog. The bigger he got as he ran up the rock. Shop, shop, cried Baby Frog. Get me into the pond. Hop, hop, came Mama Frog right up to the spot. In jumped Baby and Mom, said Mummy Frog. Little one, you are the boss of this lily pond. Understood children? Read the poem and write the pink color words. Next we are going to see short U sound words. Look at the pictures, read the words. BUN, bun. BUS, bus. CUP, cup. HUT, hut. JUG, jug. MUG, mug. NUT, nut. RUN, run. TUB, tub. Once again, read bun, bus, cup, hut, jug, mug, nut, run, tub. Okay children, இந்த words என்ன பண்ணணும், read பண்ணிட்டே write பண்ணணும். Next we are going to see, read the poem. The pup. In the mud lived a pup. She loved to run in the sun. She chased a slug, even a bug. It was so much of fun. But one day she saw a truck. The earth was dug. The trees were cut. They built a city. The pup had no place to be. Okay children, read the poem and write the pink color words. Hi kids, in this video what we learned about UKG literacy skill subject. Short A, E, I, O, U sound words. Okay children, all are listen the lesson. Okay, do the exercise. We will see the next video. Thank you.